Welcome back, foodies. Leo here, full-time foodie. We're putting in overtime this week. We're here at this restaurant. It's right near Disney. I forgot what road this is, but it's called Campo. You can see right here. It's a Puerto Rican restaurant, super popular down here. I'm gonna meet up with a coworker and her family, and she says this is one of the best restaurants down here in Orlando. So let's see if they're valid. Oh, they got a big ass chair. I should have got somebody to film me there. All right, let's head inside. All right, it looks super nice in here. The decor is beautiful. Let's head to our seats. All right, I got this Guanábana here. Let's try it out. Oh, that tastes really good. It's thick. I love it. This is how it came out. Look at this. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get one more of these. All right, we got actually all of our dishes here. This is the Chuleta Kan Kan. I believe it's pork belly, but like a meaty pork belly. Bone in also, you can see there. Some raw or pickled onions. Some habichuelas, which are like braised beans. White rice. Can't wait to try everything. All right, this is the Churrasco with chimichurri. I believe it's skirt steak. Yep, it is. Yeah, that chimichurri looks beautiful on there. And you can pick any side. This is their fries. We're gonna try them out. All right, let's try the churrasco with the chimichurri. It's actually really nice. It's nice and tender. I love the chimichurri in it, and it has good flavor. They definitely marinated this. Beautiful. All right, these are the bacalaitos. These are little like salted fish cakes. I'm not sure. We're gonna try them out. This is the name of the restaurant, Pal Campo. And this is their appetizer sampler. Tostones. We got sausage, yuca frita. I believe that is pork chicharron. It's fried cheese. A little bit of sauce. I think they call it mayo ketchup. And this is, it looks like fried chicken, right? Fried chicken. Bacalaito, I'm gonna try this for the first time. Pretty good. It does taste like a fish cake. All right, this is the Chuleta Kan Kan. I think there's a lot of music in here and it's pretty loud. This is the Chuleta Kan Kan. This is pork belly, but it's like a meaty pork belly. I don't think I've ever seen one like this. Let's try it. Somebody's birthday. All right, we're down to the skin. Try the beans. All right, guys, we just got back from the restaurant. We got a little bit carried away with chatting, and so I didn't film as much as I should have. But we had some amazing food. That Chuleta Kan Kan, I'll give that a 9 out of 10. That's really delicious, though. And I love that it has pork belly. It's like pork belly and a pork chop in one, and it's gigantic. And I also tried the skirt steak. Skirt steak was great. Super tender. Lots of flavor. Also, 9 out of 10. The rice with beans, I believe they call them habichuelas. Those were amazing, too. Those were 10. 10 out of 10. My coworker, they got a like an appetizer platter for everybody to share. My favorite thing on there was they had these little fried cheese with guava. I love that. And I also love the there was bits of fried chicken on the bone. That was really amazing. That was really delicious. I would give that a 11 out of 10. That's amazing. All right, we'll catch you guys next time.